Welcome to Garden by the Bay. Uy, meron pa tong...
Oh my God, Gardens by the Bay.
May helicopter. Ang ganda naman yan, oh. Ang ganda gawing pamaypay.
Are we heading straight to Esme's house?
Yep.
Yeah, we are heading straight to Esme's house.
MRT dito, no? Tara.
MRT says that way.
Hindi.
Oh. It tries to fool us. Oh.
Parking pala yung ilalim na yun.
Yeah.
Maganda dito. Kahit maliit ang Singapore. Pero marami siyang puno, mga green. Mga green grass. Ay, ang ganda naman dun. Hindi ko yata nakapunta dun.
Maya, beep. I just ran to the gate.
May nagkakat ng ano.
You passed the red light.
Uy, sana tayo dadaan?